Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change country in Twitter. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Twitter application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Twitter, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left of the screen. Now here you need to tap on settings and privacy. Under settings, you can see the option of your account. On very first, you tap on it. Inside your account, you need to tap on account information. At the little town, you can see the option of country. You tap on it. Now you go in for selecting a country, or you can go in for choosing a country that you want to change to. Here I'm going with Canada. You tap on change. And with that, the country will be changed according to your choice. This is how you can change a country in Twitter. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change a country in Twitter. Thank you.